The Ultrasidewinder cable protection system is a revolutionary cable protection technology. The patent-pending articulating design makes the Ultrasidewinder the only cable protector that can turn corners without buckling or requiring special angle pieces. This system takes flexibility design to a whole new level. Exposed power, computer, and telephone cables are unsightly and leave your home and office looking like a mess. More importantly, unprotected cables are highly dangerous trip hazards that can result in physical injury and lead to costly damage to computers and other equipment. Some people use tape to secure cables to the floor, but this looks unprofessional, does not protect cables from damage, and often permanently damages the floor by leaving a sticky residue that gathers dirt and grime. Covering cables with a rug or mat while hiding the cable can still look unsightly, does not fully protect the cables, and may create a dangerous fire hazard. Even covered with a mat, the cables can still remain a trip hazard. The Ultrasidewinder cable protection system solves these problems. The underside has space for multiple cables at once, eliminating the unsightly jumble of cables. Tripping risk is minimized with the Ultrasidewinder's tapered design that forces feet to slide over the top of the covered cables. Rubber tabs located on the bottom of the Ultrasidewinder reduce sliding even on smooth floors. The Sidewinder is made of a durable ABS plastic like that used in the automotive industry for unparalleled protection of cables. The small size is available in multiple colors to blend in with carpet, wood, and vinyl floors. The large and medium sizes are available in a black and yellow combination and in all black. You can also use the Ultrasidewinder to stand out like caution tape to further minimize tripping in public or industrial settings. Unlike other cable protectors that require cutting, the Ultrasidewinder is made up of single segments that easily connect to protect cables of any length. The modular design means you can simply buy more later to add length. Each Sidewinder system also comes with two end caps that keep things looking tidy and organized. The Ultrasidewinder is available in small, medium, and large to meet almost any cord covering need. Cords can be secured into the small size by simply pressing them past the rubber tabs. The medium and large sizes can be used in a drop-over fashion, or the included tabs can be attached to help prevent cords from slipping out. The Ultrasidewinders are lightweight and easy to handle. The small size is extra portable, just coil and go. You can even leave the cables in for quick deployment. Protect your cables and protect yourself and those around you. Choose Ultratech's Ultrasidewinder cable protection system.